Hello everyone, hope you are doing great, and in this video we are going to create an application called DreamTracker, and let's jump right into it. And it can be a little longer, but it will be worth it. Let's dive into it. We're going to create these UIs first of all, and then we are going to go and create the logics. So for that, let's start with this first page. This is the login page. So this is how it is going to look like, and it will have two login systems, Google and Facebook. So let's first of all, let's create this thing. So I have all this, this thing is in built inside the Adobe XD, but we are going to create this similar kind of a thing inside Blup. So for that, before we dive into it, let me just bring it out. I have already exported these file images so that we can put them inside Blup. So for that, what we have to start with is new project. So let's call it new, and let's say our organization name, let's put it, and for the app name, let's say DreamTracker. Hit create. So now we are on this home page. So what do we need? So first of all, let's get this background. For that, we already have it. It's called blur.png. I have imported it. Just drag and drop it. It will be imported. Now what we need is let's create this text called DreamTracker. So now let's change its font to Poppins and make it bold. And the color, let's see what color it has. It is this color. Just copy it, paste this color over here. I think it is quite bold. Let's make it semi bold. Then we need this image. So we already have exported this image. So let's put that image over here. Now what we need to do is we need this text and buttons. Color, put it up here. And then put a text called Google. Change its font and make it semi-bold. Copy this color, paste it up here. Okay, so it is a little bit down. So just do this. We have to decrease its line height a little bit. Let's make it 1.1 or 1.0 works. Yeah. So now we have created this first page. So let's go into the second one. And go up here, add new page. Then we have this image. And second one, we have three images over here. So first is this flower kind of a thing, geometry, then this hand, and then this rectangle behind it. So now moving forward, we need this thing, current task. So for that, we can copy paste it. Let's make it current task, ending in 60 minutes. Let's add this thing as well. Copy paste. Then we have this loading bar. Before loading bar, let's add this image as well. It is up here. Then we need this progress bar. For that, go over here, progress bar. So this is the page that we have created, and if I will press up here, it will open this thing. Now it looks good. Okay, so cool. So this is what this page looks like. Two pages, and let's go and let's create this one, the third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So what we are going to do is we are going to go through it really fast, and let's speed run this thing. So let's start with this page. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste it and drag over here, and what it's called, today's list. Let's change it to today's list. So now moving on to the next page. So the next page is this one. So for that, we are just going to copy this thing and paste it over here. What is left is a page scrollable. So for that, what we need is this one. This is the page navigation, bottom navigation. So for that, what we have to do is, let's create a new page, make it color similar to this, color rectangle, make it full screen, convert it into a page list, add pages. For adding the page, first page is this, second page is this, we just have 2 pages, and finally what we need is this one. We are creating a bottom navigation. So now what we have to do is we have to add a navigation for this bottom navigation. So just right click it, go over here, we have these 2 buttons, so we need both of them over here. Now what we are doing is we are going to give the color to these buttons when they are clicked. So for that, let's call color node. We have this color, and secondly we have this normal color. First we need integer, not the integer, we need equals. Is equal to, if current page index is equals to 0, and it is going to check over here. And second, we need one more. I'm just going to copy and paste it over here. So this was a small logic for bottom navigation. Okay, so we basically have everything. First of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here, and in place of calling page 2, we need to call page 6, so that on clicking on this Google, we will come to this page, and this page is hosting these 2 pages, and these 2 pages are linked to these 2 pages. So that's how it all works and brings together itself. So now what we have to do is we just have to run the application. Okay, so this is the app that has been installed. So if I will run it, so this is what we have created. Right now I think it is like this. Let's go with this thing, it also looks cool. So let's make it scroll up and down. Okay, and when I will go over here, I can go to this place, second place, done. I can go here, I can add new task here if I want to. I have this keyboard to add new task, and this is it. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add the logic inside it. Right now it's just a dummy application, so now we are going to add backend and all kind of logic system into it. Let's there's this thing that where this icon is not taking the color, so for that we can give it a default color. Whenever I will press it, it will have this default color. Then I will go up and down, easily done. If I will scroll this thing, then also this color will change. So now let's move on with logics.